Are you looking for the best bike desks? In this video we will look at some of the best bike desks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FitDesk Desk Bike 3.0. The FitDesk Desk Bike 3.0 is a versatile exercise tool designed to merge productivity with physical activity. Engineered with top-tier components such as a high-quality gearbox, quiet twin belt drive, and a high-velocity flywheel, it ensures reliable and smooth operation. The integration of resistance bands just beneath the seat adds a dimension of resistance training to the cycling experience. One of its notable features is the inclusion of a built-in tablet holder and storage tray, allowing users to comfortably engage in work-related activities or entertainment while exercising. This emphasizes the ability to seamlessly integrate exercise into a busy daily routine. In terms of ergonomic design, the FitDesk Desk Bike 3.0 stands out with adjustable arm supports that serve as arm massage rollers, preventing fatigue during prolonged usage. The steel frame, constructed from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, provides a robust foundation capable of supporting individuals weighing up to 300 pounds. The bike's adjustability accommodates a wide range of users, from 410 to over 6, with customizable settings for the bike seat, backrest, and a semi-recumbent design for optimal comfort. Number 2. Sunny Health and Amp Fitness Magnetic. The Sunny Health and Amp Fitness Magnetic Recumbent Desk is a versatile workout machine designed to enhance productivity and fitness simultaneously. This innovative recumbent bike workstation features a spacious non-slip platform that securely holds your tablet or book, measuring 15L x 22W x 2H inches, enabling you to engage in other activities while exercising. The platform can support up to 20 pounds and allows for various activities to divert your attention from your workout. Adjustability is a key feature, with the ability to customize your workout intensity using the 8-level magnetic tension resistance (MTS). This flexibility allows you to tailor your exercise routine throughout the day. Additionally, a switchable bottle holder is provided, giving you the freedom to place your beverages on either the left or right-hand side. Functionality is further enhanced with an LCD monitor that tracks essential fitness metrics such as calories burned, distance traveled, and time spent. This information helps you monitor your progress and stay motivated in your fitness journey. The bike's belt drive system ensures a smooth and quiet workout experience, making it ideal for exercising while working, ultimately promoting calorie burn, stress reduction, productivity, and creativity. Number 3. EXERPEUTIC 2500. The EXERPEUTIC 2500 is a recumbent exercise bike designed to provide a comfortable and effective workout experience. The assembly of this bike is required upon purchase. One of its notable features is the 14 levels of smooth magnetic tension resistance, allowing users to adjust the intensity of their workouts according to their preferences. The bike offers versatility with an infinite slider seat position adjustment, ensuring users can find the most comfortable and suitable seating position for their exercise sessions. Additionally, it has 8 desktop height adjustment ranges between 36.5 to 41, providing flexibility for various user heights and preferences during workouts. To enhance user experience and convenience, the bike comes with transportation wheels, making it easy to relocate within a space. The Quiet Drive belt system ensures a noiseless and uninterrupted workout session, allowing for focused exercise without disturbances. Number 4. FLEXISPOT Exercise Bike. The FLEXISPOT Exercise Bike, also known as the TikTok Desk Bike, is a unique and versatile fitness equipment that combines the features of an exercise bike and a standing desk. It is designed with a desk surface that offers ample space to accommodate a laptop, notebooks, a mobile phone, and other work essentials. Notably, it's important to note that the battery is not included with this product. One of the standout features of the FLEXISPOT exercise bike is its ability to enhance health and fitness, particularly for individuals who work from home. By using this innovative machine, users can effectively boost their immune system and maintain their physical well-being while working at their desks. The whisper-quiet, pedaling mechanism of the exercise bike ensures a peaceful and unobtrusive workout experience, making it ideal for use at home while engaging in various activities such as watching YouTube or TV, recreational web surfing or social media browsing, listening to music, or even snacking. Number 5. Stamina 2-in-1 Recumbent Exercise Bike. The Stamina 2-in-1 Recumbent Exercise Bike is designed to provide a comprehensive total body fitness experience. Combining efficient cardio with muscle toning workouts, this exercise bike allows users to pedal with their feet while seated, engaging the lower body, while also utilizing the attached desk or tabletop for a more productive workout. The bike doubles as a working station, featuring a wide cushion seat with a supportive backrest for comfort during workouts. The height, adjustable desktop, tablet/book prop, laptop strap, and built-in cuff holder enhance the practicality and convenience of the setup, making it easy to incorporate exercise into a daily routine. Incorporating ultra-quiet magnetic tension with adjustable settings, users can tailor their workout intensity to effectively target muscles and elevate heart rate while maintaining a noise-free environment. The texture pedals with straps ensure feet stay securely in place during pedaling,